I ain't seen my baby in forever. Gang, what it is? Mook and the V back with another video. And today, man, I got a full house in here with me. But today, man, it's a kind of a good day, I guess. It's a good day for the kids because we going to the little water park thing. But for me, it's a bittersweet day. The mamba is getting dropped off today, man. So it's gonna be day one of stripping the engine apart and you know, figuring out what exactly is the problem. And let me put my seatbelt on. But yeah, man, so we're gonna be stripping the mama engine down and, you know, seeing what the problem is, what we can use, what we can't use, and things of that such nature. It's getting dropped over at my man Jose's shop, so I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I get over there, y'all, in a minute. Alright, gang, I got over at the Jose's shop, man, and like I said, man, bittersweet feeling. I ain't seen the mamba in a couple of months. My baby looking good, but she looking bad at the same time, man. With all this smut on the, you know what I mean? Smut. Wipe that off though, it's still good. Y'all see that? My baby. Look at that shit, man. Nasty. Getting the trans together?
Yeah.
How like when is the finish time for this?
He wanted it in about 2 months.
2 months? 2 months for this one, and is that the other one going already?
That one
That's it right there?
on the chassis probably the next week.
Fucking busy, huh? I got somebody need their shit painted too. People be watching the videos, man. They like, man, where your guy at? He fucking dealing with somebody up in Kankakee. Been fucking with him, hit me up like, yo, I got the messages on my phone, right? My phone's in the car. Like when I get back from the Dominican Republic and I'm coming straight to your guy. That dude ass? Yeah. Oh, I gotta move my car too, probably.
They're gonna move it, yeah.
Yeah. Black car, move it?
Yeah.
You got too many cars now, man. Dude always coming to kick us off. All this space right here is his. That's his Audi right there too. I ain't seen my baby in forever.
You know how to get it in neutral?
I figured they just put it in neutral.
I have no idea. There is something under the armrest.
That black thing is still in there?
I don't know how it works.
Watch y'all. Try not to fall off. I'm trying to hold the camera, scale this at the same time.